Thought of a day. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lesson of failure. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lesson of failure. Thomas Edison patented the first commercial viable light bulb. He was not the first person to invent light bulb. Before him, 23 different light bulbs were developed, but those are expensive. So he focused to produce an inexpensive filament that could produce electric light for any useful length of time. To make it functional, each step required the invention of a new component. After testing 2000 of material, they found the best substance to produce light bulb. When none seems to work satisfyingly, his assistants complained all our works is in vain. We have learnt nothing. But Edison replied very confidently, "Oh, we have come a long way and we have learnt a lot. We know that there are 2000 elements which we cannot use to make a good light bulb. So, it's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lesson of failure." Thank you. Have a great day.